Welcome to Business Bytes. I am Neo Maruatona. The JSE ended the day up by 0.6% on 31,298 points. We spoke to Keith McLachlan from Standard Bank Global Markets looking at Esofranki.
I think the market's factored in a lot of things. The construction, talking about Vox, I think the market's applying a similar approach to the construction industry, especially these guys as wait and see. And in Eso's case, they are a lot more geared than most of the other players. Most of the other players are actually sitting in net cash surpluses. Esofranki, what would be interesting to see is how they apply this and how much of this is actually just tiding them over until the times get better.
Today, the NEC 20 was up by 0.27% at 24,529 points. We spoke to Babatunde Obaniyi from AfriInvest looking at market sentiment.
I think that's normal. I mean, looking at what the market has done in the last 1.5 weeks, where we have seen the market trading on the south trend. I mean, the market has been going down, and that created another entry opportunity for value investors, which may like to lock in at this pricing that we're beginning to see. That firmed up the valuation of the companies traded on the exchange, and I think that people are just willing to take that opportunity, and they're locking in back to the value companies.
The NEC 20 closed down 20.51 points to end the day on 4,528.26 points. We spoke to Karanja Ndungu from Tsavo Securities looking at MPC rate decision.
The MPC decision was expected in the sense that central bank has been going for a stable interest rate regime, so the 6% was welcome news. However, there was the results of the 5-year bond, which was about 25 basis points lower than the earlier bond issued earlier in the year, the 5-year. However, on the secondary market, these are about 60 basis points above what that paper was trading. So this has had a slight impact on the yield curve, but this is good news in the sense that the yield curve is kind of topping up, and we expect to see some downward movement on the yield curve.
For more news and videos, go to abndigital.com.